If you want to find deleted messages on Google Pixel 11, then here's what you can do. So if you removed a whole conversation or whole chat, so let's say I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to delete it, and then I confirm, then that chat is sent to bin or trash, which means that I can recover it by going to my Google account here in the upper right corner, and then we have the bin option. And here I can either select whichever chat or conversation I want to recover, and then I can use this clock icon with the arrow over here, and it's going to be restored. Or if I want to restore everything that I have in here, then I can just use the same icon straight away. And of course, you have 30 days to recover deleted conversations. After that time, the whole chat is removed forever. And this can be done only with those chats or conversations, because if you decide to remove individual messages, then you will read that this action cannot be undone. So this is permanent. These messages are not sent to trash or to bin. They are just removed forever straight away. So in that case, if you deleted some messages like that with this method, then unfortunately you cannot restore those deleted messages and you cannot find them. And of course, there is also a possibility that in the future there is going to be an update for the Google Messages app that is going to allow you to recover these deleted individual messages. But for now, as I'm recording this video, we can only find deleted conversations or chats. Leave a like and subscribe.